Okay. I don't even, ew, it won't even, wait, let me see. It's a dragonfly! Oh my goodness. Okay, I feel like all this footage is gonna be like, girl, what? I have to get one of those. I have to get a smaller thingamabob, a smaller little stick. It's not even, hello? Oh, okay. So today I'm going to be running some errands, and I figured why not take you guys along with me. Yeah, so I'm heading to the post office right now. I'm gonna pick up something really quick from Home Depot, and then grab some stuff to make some ramen, and I'll probably make the ramen on the video, and that'll probably be it. I am going to a piercing appointment later. I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie, even though I still have in my starter piercing jewelry. Hey, we're not gonna judge. But yeah, and I'm gonna take you guys with me on that too. Okay, I don't have a stable thing for the car, but we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, check in later. I don't transition. Did it work? No. What, like, my face is like, girl, I do what I want, but okay. I got ramen, and honestly, y'all, when I first started doing this, I was just using the regular pack. Yeah, I was using that ramen, and honestly, like, okay, so I am vegan, plant-based, but whatever, and it does have dairy ingredients inside of the seasoning packet, but not inside of the noodles, so you could literally get any pack, and because the soy one is the cheapest one, I was like, might as well just get that. But then I found this brand, and I love the taste of their noodles, like, so freaking good. When I am feeling a little I like to put in one of those, like, I like to put in one of those no chicken broth little bouillon thingamabobs, little flavoring cubes, but they didn't have any. Honestly, I've only been able to find it at Kroger, and that seemed like a mission today, and I was just, I'm about to do it. So anyways, get this, and I believe there are, yeah, so there's 4 in here, and I think it's only like $3, so come on. I like to use any kind of green, it don't matter. As of late, I've really been rocking with bok choy. Yeah, I'm in my bag, my bok choy bag, and I always put green onions in there. So while the noodles are boiling, which doesn't take too long, so I'm like, how do people do this? I gotta hurry up and do it. I go ahead and chop up all of my greenery and then just prepare it. I got my noodles, put it in there. Not me spelling noodles. See that? Ciao. I took my noodles out. Pure sesame oil. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you like still have noodles in there. As you can see, I still have noodles in mine. And you just want to pour some of that in there. I like to get it to cover. And then I go ahead and let me grab this. And I just place all of my I only do half of my green onions. I save the green onions, the rest of the greens for the topping. To cook down like so. I'm gonna grab some ramen. while that does its thing. I literally let that be on there for like till it starts boiling, which could be anywhere from like 3 to 5 minutes. Doesn't take that long. And like sometimes I like to add in corn or other vegetables and stuff. Today I kind of just wanted something just greenery. I didn't really feel like, I did grab some corn, but I'm like, yeah, I don't really feel like having corn today, or in that dish. So yeah, just let it like boil a little bit, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I put everything together. And then just a little bit more sriracha, but that's me. I'm going to go eat this. Wait, let me. Okay, so I definitely have to work on my transitions and introducing you guys to what's next, but here I am at my piercing appointment at Triple Moon Studios in Atlanta, and I am getting pierced by Honey, and I'm getting a ear curation that she has decided upon, and I show you guys some of the markings that she did, just to give me a gauge of like what it would look like. And I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what that looked like. And one of my favorite things about her, I've been pierced by her twice before this. And oops, shout out to Twilight Babe. But yeah, so she does really good with breathing techniques and making you feel as comfortable as possible while getting a needle shoved through your body. I don't know how comfortable you could possibly be, but I do have a relatively high pain tolerance. So as you'll see me sitting, I'm just chilling. I did try to get a better angle several times. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was so freaking difficult. And I just kind of gave up and was like, yeah, they'll see what they see. And that's that. The next time I do get a piercing or whatnot, I will figure out a better way to film and record that for you guys, but for the meantime, this is what I got. My bad. But I got two, that's a shame, don't even know the names of them. I got 2 piercings on the inner part of my ear, and then one at the top, and you guys will see the results of that, right? I think it's like now-ish, not really. Okay, so you're gonna see it in a little bit. You're gonna see the clip. But yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Honey Pierre. I am a part of Triple Moon Studios here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're located right on the Beltline, like Frog Street, Auburn Avenue area.
Okay, so I couldn't keep the original audio because we were listening to some music in the background, but essentially what Honey is saying is that she has been piercing for about 5 years now. She does ear curations and nose curations, so if you're interested, I will definitely leave her information below. And yeah, okay, back to the video. All right, so this company reached out to me to create a reel for them, and I've worked with them before. So I was really excited. Black woman owned business. It's a clothing boutique, and it is called Toniko brand, and I will leave her information below. And I just wanted to show you guys like my little setup and me just practicing like my walk back and forth. And if you do follow me on Instagram, then you saw the final product, but if not, here it is. And this took me honestly about, I'd say like 45 minutes. So this particular reel, I wanted to showcase different outfits that I had, and I kind of hoped that the dress would be the highlight, so people would be more interested and engaged with it. Yeah, so that was pretty much like the basic idea back behind it. A lot of the reels that I do, I don't really like plan my movements. For the most part, what I do is just move and try to move the same way. And when it gets to my editing process, I just do cut jumps exactly where it kind of looks like I'm doing the same thing. Yeah, if y'all are interested in how I edit my reels or anything, I would be more than happy to make a video about that. Just leave a comment below. Alright, so this was honestly pretty random. I just decided that I wanted to retwist my hair, and I know that I had expressed to you guys that I wanted to do it live, but I hadn't retwisted my hair in quite some time, and I knew that it was going to take me a little bit longer and be quite tedious. So I kind of just wanted to do my hair, you know, and not film it. So I decided to just show you guys me doing my first one, but the style that I went with was rope twist. And if you are interested in a full tutorial on how to do rope twist, I have filmed one already, and I'll put it in the little info, like right click thingamabob, and also in the description box below. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how I've been doing it as of late, and all of the products that I use will also be listed in the description box below. That is pretty much it. I definitely do think that I will do more vlog style type of things. If this is some type of content that you guys like, please let me know. Yeah, it just felt very freeing to give you guys a gauge and see like what my days tend to look like, which is pretty different every day. Yeah. I actually don't have a topic for this week as far as our growth and development and whatnot. I have been going through some things, and I do believe that I will share with you all eventually when I'm in the proper headspace for that. But as for now, I've kind of just been in a little bit of a lull, so to say. So yeah, that's kind of where my head is at, and I'm grateful that I'm able to create in this way and share with you all who I am becoming and my journey as a whole. But that is all for now, and yeah. This is what the final result did look like. I did want to share the results with you guys, so you're not like, girl, you're not even gonna show us, like, I can't believe. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this on my story. And yeah, so I didn't do an official peace sign out, but just imagine my 2 fingers up. And all right, peace.